How's it going, guys? It's Cam here. Behind me is a Ferrari 488 Pista. This Ferrari in particular is their special version of the 488. It's the Pista, not Pista, it's the Pista. It makes 711 horsepower and 567 pound-feet of torque from a 3.9 liter twin turbocharged V8 engine, which is mated to a 7-speed dual clutch transmission. Now the interior of the Pista goes full race car. As you can see, there's carbon fiber lining all the doors, straps instead of handles. You also might notice that there is an absence of even carpet on the floor of this Ferrari. In fact, Ferrari has gone so far that they haven't even included a radio in this car. Now you can spec a radio in the Ferrari, but this one has gone without it. As you can imagine, the seating position in the 488 is very aggressive. It also only weighs a little over 3,000 pounds. With all that out of the way, let's see what it's like behind the wheel of the 488 Pista.
He's making a video on it, so.
Oh, that's freaking sick.
Yeah. Well, he's just getting started, but he's doing pretty good. Yeah, yeah.
We gotta get some heat in the tires. Yo, those shifts, they're a lot more violent than your McLaren.
Oh yeah.
They're a lot more violent. Does it die?
Yeah.
It has a stop start?
Yeah.
Even in race mode, it has stop start?
Yep.
What?
I think you can disable it.
I would. Oh my God, this got no traction. I mean, the traction control system lets you slip it a lot more, but it's still got you.
No, it's controlled.
It's
controlled.
It's still watching your ass though a little bit. Like it was still like, all right, I got you at the end, but let's just spin tires more.
You just have to learn it.
More fun.
You have to learn it.
Yeah.